Welcome to Touch to Click. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to see channel info on WhatsApp web on PC, so you can quickly check important details about any channel you follow. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp web on your PC browser and log into your WhatsApp account. You can do this by visiting the official WhatsApp web website and scanning the QR code with your phone. This step is important because it gives you access to all your chats and channels directly from your computer. Step 2. Click on the channels icon on the left-hand side of the screen. This icon is located in the sidebar where all main sections like chats and updates appear. It helps you open the complete list of channels you are currently following. Step 3. Scroll through the list and find the channel you want to view. If you follow many channels, take a moment to carefully look through the names. Selecting the correct channel ensures you see the right information. Step 4. Hover your mouse over the channel name and click the small drop-down arrow that appears. The arrow usually shows up when you place your cursor on the channel. This menu gives you access to more options related to that specific channel. Step 5. Click on Channel Info from the menu to view the channel details. This section shows useful information like the channel description and shareable link. It helps you understand more about the channel and share it with others if needed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials.